Hey friends, welcome to Science Biology. Let's practice question answer with Science Biology. Question 1. What is rhizosphere? Option B. Region where soil and root make contact. Question 2. Which microscopy is used to observe microorganisms on the root surface? Option A. Electron microscope. 3. Exchange of nutrients between two species called syntropism. 4. In which of the following association in one species get benefits and other not affected? Option B. Commensalism. Question 5. Which of the association are positive interaction? Positive interaction means both species get benefit. Answers option C. Mutualism and commensalism. Question 6. An association in which one species inhibit effect on survival other species is called option B. Antagonistic. Question 7. Which of the association are negative interaction? Option C. Both competition and antagonistic. Question 8. In which association one organism lives in other organism? Option A. Parasitism. Question 9. What is the end product of proteolysis? Option B. Amino acid. Proteolysis means hydrolysis of protein. Question 10. Which of the following enzymes are involved in proteolysis? Option D. B and C. Proteinase and peptidase. Question 11. Deamination means removal of amino group. 12. Which enzyme is responsible for pyruvic acid formation from alanine? Option A. Alanine deaminase. 13. Ammonification means option B. Production of ammonia. 14. Conversion of ammonia to nitrate is called option A. Nitrification. Question 20. Ammonia oxidizing bacteria are used for the conversion of ammonia to nitrite and the conversion of nitrite to nitrate oxidizer bacteria use. Question 16. Which of the following group of organisms are gram-negative chemolithotropes? Option C. Both ammonia oxidizer and nitrite oxidizer. Question 17. Which of the following sentences are true about nitrifying bacteria? Option D. All. First of all, slow-growing bacteria present in small number and enrichment medium is used for isolation of nitrifying bacteria. 18. In waterlogged soil, which bacteria are capable of converting nitrates into nitrates? Option A. Heterotrophic bacteria. 19. Transformation of nitrates to gaseous nitrogen is called option D. Denitrification. 20. What is nitrogen fixation? Option B. Conversion of nitrogen into ammonia. 21. Which of the following microorganisms are involved in the process of nitrogen fixation? Option C. Both symbiotic microorganisms and non-symbiotic microorganisms. Symbiotic microorganisms are those living in roots of plant and non-symbiotic microorganisms living independently in soil. 22. Which of the following are example of nitrogen fixing bacteria? Option D. All. Cyanobacteria, phototropic bacteria, chemotropic bacteria. 23. Which enzyme are present in nitrogenase enzyme complex? Option C. Both nitrogenase and nitrogenase reductase. 24. Which of the species are involved in non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation? Option A. Azotobacter species. 25. Dash is a site in nodule formation where infection of rhizobium species occur. Option A. Root hair. 26. Utilization of carbon dioxide done by which bacteria? Option B. Autotrophic bacteria. 27. Fixation of carbon dioxide done by which bacteria? Answer. Heterotrophic bacteria. 28. Which of the following most abundant organic material in plant? Option A cellulose. 29. Which enzyme are used for formation of cellulobiose from cellulose? Option A cellulase. 13. Which of the following is the end product of cellulose degradation? Option E water and carbon dioxide. 31. Which of the following elements cannot be utilized by plant and animal? Option B sulfur. 32. Which enzyme are involved in the formation of pyruvic acid from cystine? Option A cystine desulfurase. 33. Example of non-sulfur purple bacteria. Option D all. Rhodospiridium, Rhodopseudomonas and Rhodomicrobium. 34. Which bacteria are involved in denitrification process? Option D all. Agrobacterium, Chromobacterium, Pseudomonas. 35. Which of the following sentences are true about nitrogenous enzyme complex? Option D all. It contains ATP required, sulfur content and MOFE protein required. 36. Which laboratory technique is used for isolation of sulfur metabolizing bacteria? Answer Winogradsky column.